But yeah, that's it. Weekly break and tap. We've got a couple inside bar candles currently on the daily. We're creating higher lows. We've created another higher low again today, and we're pushing up here. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens around this level at the top. That's why price is really bouncing around this level at the moment. We can see yesterday it bounced around this level, and today we're bouncing at this level again. So we'll see what happens here. We're selling off quite a fair bit here. We've got an hour left of this hourly. Sorry, 5 minutes left of this hourly. We'll see where this closes. If it closes below these AOIs, we could look at potential break and taps coming back down. Um, but yeah, it's a little bit hard right now to kind of get the gist of what God wants to do. Because again, if you're just looking at this structure from the hourly, you've got a low, you got lower highs coming down, but now you got a higher low right here. So we've created a higher low in the market, and we're pushing up. So yeah, it's previous daily is of course bearish, so we could just look at that, trade in the previous daily momentum. But you got previous weekly, which is bullish, and you've got previous 4 hour, which is bullish, previous 6 hour, which is bullish, previous 8 hour, which is bullish, previous 12 hour, which is bullish. So it's like, which way do you want to trade? Which you got to kind of pick your way you want to trade and just go with it. But that's why I was looking at buys today. I've tried to enter a couple buy positions, because I kind of picked the based on the weekly creating a bottom wick. Yesterday's daily candle being an inside bar candle, which can mean indecision in the market and a potential reversal. So I was trying to capture this move to the upside today based on the weekly creating a bottom wick and the daily just continuing bullish today, but which it has so far. We have continued bullish, but not in the matter that we wanted to. It hasn't really continued bullish with much conviction. We had the push up here early first window, then it came all the way back down. It tried to push up again, and it's like it's not sustaining. These moves aren't sustaining. So we pushed up, and now we're consolidating again. We're trying to pull back. But yeah, in terms of structure, we're creating a nice bullish structure right here now. Right, coming up, highs, higher lows, highs, higher lows, higher highs. So yeah, it's really just in the balance right now. But this could very well be a daily top wick to flip bearish. Let's have a look at the fib. Yeah, we're tapped into, we've retraced into the 75% fib area from yesterday. Um, oh, you're back at home now, Laser. Nice, man. It's good to hear. For another couple of weeks, right? The daily fib is also that the AOI level as well. I didn't even see that. Yeah, so it's tapped into the AOI daily fib. Um, let's have a look. We've got an hour left here. If we close back inside Asia highs, what's the stop looking like? Stop's not too bad. We close back inside Asia highs as well, and we get a tap here before we start breaking down. I'll look to take some sales here. I got no rules, I count them. I got it. Let's have a look. Let's see what we can get here. Ooh, nice, 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 nice. No, we need a tap of the AOI, please. A little bit further up. This is the Asia highs right here that we're tapping into. Asia candle highs. Can we get a bit more of a tap up? There we go. We can. Very nice. All right. So I'm going to place some sell stops right about here. There we go. Let's see what happens. Could this be a daily top wick for gold to start selling off? Could it be? Could it be? Let's see. Could it be? Could it be? Dee 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 dee. Got that away. We're trading, man. We're trading. We're trying. We're trying to catch some stuff here. We're trying to get some positions on gold, but it's just not being our friend at the minute, you know? It is not being our friend, fortunately. Let's see what we can get here. We've tapped all the levels to the upside right now. All of them. Asia highs, the first AOI and the second AOI right here. So we've rejected this one, closed below, we've tapped in. So let's see. Let's see what happens. Late night vibes, yes, sir. I found trading a bit tough last couple. Oh, mate, everybody has. Everybody has. Wow, a lot of people have found it very tough. Well, there we go. We're in that trade. We are in that trade. Let's see how this plays out. Let's see how it plays out, ladies and gentlemen. Don't let him in. Don't let him in. It's coming down nicely right now. Nice little drop. Not gonna lie. Can it sustain? Can it keep moving? Can it keep dropping? That's what I want to know. But yeah, laser. Um, you know, everybody has, man. I've found trading the whole month of March extremely difficult. Extremely difficult. All right, we're gonna move stops to break even here, guys. Beautiful call. Nice trade. Can it keep driving? Can it keep driving? This is the part. This is what I found difficult. This is what I found difficult for March. I've had a lot of great entries, right? A lot of great entries, but the moves just haven't sustained. Like, look at this pullback now. This pullback is probably going to pull all the way back up, stop me out at break even, and then probably just eventually continue bearish. And this is what has been difficult about trading recently. The moves are just not continuing. That's where my stop is now. Let's see. Not tonight. We'll smash the TP. We'll see. We'll see. I learned the hard way, forcing a losing streak. But yeah, I mean, that's what's last week, of course, we had there was interest rates and things like that. So if you have a look at the weeks where we do have interest rates, the, generally like maybe the start of the week, price action is decent, maybe like Monday. But Tuesday, Wednesday, even like Thursday, Friday, the price action can be just abysmal. So those weeks are always tough. Generally, myself and over the last few years, I've been very quiet during those weeks. I can say, tend to just take a step back and maybe take a trade on Monday. And if I get a winning trade, I'll probably just call it a week at that point. And that's what I wanted to do this week. But recently, with the copy traded with the signals, I've just I've just been trading through it and just think whatever, let's just take the trades, let's just take them as they come. But generally, I would, yeah, if I get a winning trade on a Monday or Tuesday during like weeks of inflation or PPI or interest rates or NFP, I'll just call it a week. But yeah, another great entry here, but let's just see what happens. Does it hit take profit? You close half to lock in some. Nice. Not a bad idea, to be fair. You ain't getting over him. More of a drive. Nice. All right, see you in a bit, Tony. There's no hope in trading, brother. We have hopped in the trade. We have executed on our strategy, and we manage risk. Whatever happens from this point happens, you know? It is what it is. Enjoy your day, bro. Enjoy your day, brother. Enjoy your day. We're going to sit on our hands here and just see what happens. And we're holding to full take profit here because the fuckery that has been happening recently, there it leaves us no choice, right? If we get there, it's either break even or it's full take profit on this trade. What's DP? This level right here. This level right here. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Now look at these candles. So we spiked the 4-hour highs, we're driving down. We spiked the 6-hour highs, we're driving down. 8-hour candle is rejecting all the way back down. 12 hours spiked the highs and it's driving down. Daily, daily could potentially drive all the way down here and flip bearish. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's see. We got a 15-minute closure. What's this 15 gonna do? What are you gonna do, 15? You're gonna come all the way back up, aren't you? Take us out of break even, aren't you, 15? Can we survive the next 15 minutes? Top wick. I'm gonna let it shine. You've learned so much. That's a W. What made you say that? What's making you say that right now? Can we survive the 15-minute top wick? Tough trading and sticking to the plan, yeah. Bro, trust me, I'm with you, man. I'm with you. Like this month has been one of my worst months in a very, very long time. Trades will just not hit take profit. They just won't. And I don't know if it's the copy trader. Like, I don't know what's going on, but something is different about this month. This month has been absolutely shocking for me. But we keep pushing, we keep going. Can't remember the last time. I can't remember the last time I had a month like this. I can't remember. It's been a very long time. February was the start of January was shit, but like mid Jan started to get really good. February was really good. I think we was up like 18%, almost 20% on the account for Jan and February, and then March has come and like yeah, it's been shocking. We were back down at like 10% on the account. Yeah, it's been a good learning curve, but it's it's very frustrating. And it just sucks that, this period in the market had to happen. Like this cycle, this period had to happen as soon as I started the copy trader. It's just unfortunate, which is making it even more frustrating for me. Yeah, we do get complacent. And I definitely was getting way too ahead of myself, kind of in February when yeah, the account was going great, like a lot of great trades. I think in one day in Feb, I took 5 trades in one day, and I haven't done that since I like started trading right at the beginning. So I was getting way too ahead of myself, and March has come along and it's humbled me. It's humbled me, man. The market came through and humbled me, which it does from time to. It hasn't humbled me. I say humble me. It's like I think I'm down like 2% or something. I don't know. Like for March, I think I'm down, yeah, like 2% or something. Like one good trade and we'll be back into profit. But a couple good trades, we're back into profit. But yeah, it's been just the trades just won't hit take profit. Let's see if this one does, but they just won't take profit. And whenever I try and like, I started to close them early. I started to close the trades a bit early to try and like adapt to the market, but then you can't really do that because you close a couple trades early and then you have one losing trade and it just wipes out all that progress, and it's just like, you're losing like 1% or like 1 to 2%, but only making like 0.5, 0.7%. Like, doesn't make any sense. But I try, I've just been trying to adapt with the market for March. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is. I can't watch this shit. I don't want to watch this shit, man. I just want to set it and forget about it. Yes, sir, laser. I'm excited for April, man. I cannot wait to see the back of March. Wait, 2000 first post. When was this? What the? Wait, people are still replying to this. There's no way. He posted this in 2006. Does anyone agree cable, which is UPUSD, may go up to 1.9050 area or continue bearish when market open on Monday? That was in 2006. And people still replying to this day? It's got 42,000. It's got 857,000 replies. Oh, there we go. Take profit, guys. I'm out right there. Beautiful. That's what we love to see. We love to see it. Wham bam. Thank you, ma'am. Finally, a trade hits take profit. 58 pips. Done, done, done. Thank you, gold. My goodness. This little light of mine. Holy shit. There we go. Look at that. Take profit to the T. Rejecting off. Hey, there we go. Very simple. 1 hour break and tap to the downside. So we rejected the AOI to the top side. Boom. Break and tap of the AOIs here, as well as Asian candle highs. Break of the lows. That was textbook. That was actually a textbook break and tap. because it didn't break the lows at all. Usually when you get like a candle low like this, a low wick, and the body closure so close to it, you'll get a spike out first and then the top wick formed, which is what we don't want to see. But this instantly opened and just shot up straight away, like within the first few seconds, and tapped in. That was great. And then as soon as it broke the lows, it just started driving. That's exactly what you want to see. That was textbook. Textbook, textbook. All right, guys. Well, that was today's lesson. Today's trade. Nice and easy. Yeah, short and sweet. That's what we like. That is what we like. Mid window, gold, Sal, V5 AOI, 1 hour, 58. All right. That will do. Millionaires in the making. All right, guys. Yeah, I'm going to dip out. Appreciate you. Thank you for showing up. Think it might keep driving down in NY? Yeah, potentially. Potentially, yeah. We got to see how these we got to see how these candle close now, right? We got a 4 hour closure in 31 minutes. So, I mean, this could be setting up exactly the same as yesterday, right? Look at yesterday's formation here. During like first window, we had this bullish candle coming up. First window, bullish candle coming up. Mid window, the spike of the highs, the rejection, and the close bearish. Mid window, the spike of the highs, the rejection, and potentially closing bearish in 31 minutes. And then NY creates a top wick, breaks previous lows, and continues driving here on the 4 hour. So it's almost identical to yesterday. So we'll just have to wait and see. Wait and see how this 4 hour closes. Wait for a top wick, and then just look to sell it again. But you're gonna have to probably look below like these levels, these AOI levels, unless it pops back above here to create a top wick, and then pops back below. You might be able to get another entry off that. It might be below these areas here. I'm just gonna stick my alerts back on the AOIs. I'm definitely done for today after that. But let's just see. All right. Yeah, man. Gold is just like, you know, this month, I'll take that for this month, bro. I'll take it and run. No worries, Laser. Thank you for showing up, man. Like, you know, 2, 3 people came in here at this time, but it is what it is, you know. It is what it is. I recorded it anyway, so people can watch it back. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, man. Oh, Anna, you missed it. I was I was just about to press end stream, but we took some sells. Did you see them in the signals channel? We took them on the live stream here as well. We took the gold sells. Break and tap. 1 hour break and tap. V5 break and tap right here. Took the sales down. Bought a nice move. I recorded it anyway. I recorded the live stream so you'll be able to watch it back. But you should get a notification when I go live. I think everybody else does, I believe. Can you explain what may happen? So I was just saying to Laser,